Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the gearbox oil in a Peugeot Partner 1.6 liter HDI. The fuel plug is located right here, which is the left front part of the car, that one. Yeah. If you remove the left front wheel and the wheel arch, you have very easy access to it. For example, if you don't have a car lift and you do this job on the floor. But right now we're not gonna do this because we are in a little hurry. So we just lifted up the car and we're gonna fill it up from here. First, we have to remove this bolt to see if it's working and it's removable. And after that, we're gonna remove the drain plug, which is located right here in the bottom. This is the fuel plug. Now we can remove the drain plug. Once we are done, I mean the oil is out, we can put back the drain plug and torque it. We're gonna use this total gearbox oil. It's a 75W80. This is what this car requires, and we're gonna use this pump to pump the oil inside the gearbox. As you can see, the oil is dripping out. That means we put enough. It was 1.9 liter. And now we can put back the fuel plug.